If you drop an aspirin tablet into a glass of water, you will see that the tablet drums, but the gas bubbles get pushed up to the surface. Have you ever wondered why? Let's figure it out together. In any object immersed in the liquids and gases, in the presence of gravity, exert an upward forces called buoyancy. If the object is less dense than the liquid or gas, buoyancy will make it float. And much float in water because it is less dense than the much size volume of water. But it wouldn't float in air because it is denser than the same volume of air. Let's do a beautiful experiment. Pour the vegetable oil into a glass and add some food coloring. Stir intensively. Then pour the oil in another glass filled with water. Since liquid food coloring are aqueous solution, the colored droplets pass freely through the oil layer. When stirred, the large drops of food coloring breaks up into small drops and freeze in the oil. It is beautiful. You will enjoy. Food coloring is denser than vegetable oil, so when the mixture is introduced into water, the drops gradually move down to the oil-water border. When the drops reach the water, the colorful rain will start. Give it some time. I have dropped an aspirin tablet into the glass